Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking back onto Chainlink, and I think it's kind of fitting considering the price of Bitcoin's now over $20,000. Um, I'm sure a lot of you, um, because I assume it myself, are waiting for the move that Chainlink is wanting to make, and and it's not coming. And I wanted to, make a video in regards to potentially when that might come. Expanding on it, I have done videos on this, and I think it's healthy um, to try to, try to make sense. Why are we seeing such a long term downtrend here on Chainlink? We're currently in our fourth week of red candles, and at minimum we lose close to 3% a week against Bitcoin. It's also kind of fitting. Today is December 16th. Uh, Bitcoin got its all-time high in 2017 on December 17th or 16th, 17th, something around very, very close to that time. I'm pretty sure that's the date though. Um, Very, very fitting. But back onto Chainlink, and remember, if you do like the video and the stuff that I make on this channel, uh, consider uh, subscribing and also hitting the like button down below. So, for a long time, I had these drawings here on Chainlink's weekly uh, um, price chart against Bitcoin. These red lines indicate local peaks and their local bottoms respectively, and how they act as support and resistances um, throughout Chainlink's price history. We also drawn out percentage gains for every rally above these resistance levels and how far they go. Um, but today I want us to look at basically um, date ranges for these drops. Okay, so currently, we'll put them to what the first red candle was to the bottom, and that's about 28 days. We see here 49 days. Remember, this is on the weekly chart. Um, 77 days, 98 days. I won't include that because that's, you know, uh, it's a month. But you get the picture. And I'm also arbitrarily deciding where the reversal starts. So here it's a little clear, but for here it could be a little arbitrary. You could say the reversal starts here. I would argue that it starts here roughly. So we could also include opening trading days, 70 days. Okay, or 77 days, you could say. Okay, so we see here all the downtrends for Chainlink against Bitcoin. We have 28 days, 49 days, 77, 98, 196, 70 days. And this doesn't include the rally that happens after the reversal, just the downtrend. How long are we going to see? How have we seen downtrends with Chainlink against Bitcoin? So maximum we would see 196, at minimum 28 days, a month. This would be also around 28 days as well, if you want to include that. Um, so, and I'll include it. Why not? 28 days. Okay. Currently, from the first red weekly candle to where we are right now, we are looking at 119 days, which is on average longer than most downtrends. Okay, longer than most downtrends. The longest we saw was 196 days. Okay, 28 weeks, and that's so in all actuality, we're not in panic mode just yet, or at least I don't think it's panic mode. Um, and yeah, I really don't think it's panic mode. And we're still not like 28 weeks is 7 months, so we're not no we're nowhere near that at that time frame yet. And also keep in mind that most of all of Chainlink's price history was during a Bitcoin bear market. As you can see with the price at $20,000, I don't think we're in a bear market right now. Quite the opposite. And so we simply don't know how Chainlink will react in a bull market. We can only assume it's only good things. Um, because of that, there are a few caveats why I think, hey, it's not a panic yet. Um, Chainlink has just gone off the largest rally from its resistance level in its history, um, at 205% roughly. Uh, I think the one that comes close is this one right here, which would be 350. But new coin, high volatility. You can or cannot include it, entirely up to you. But of recent memory, 205% is one of the largest moves that we've seen in Chainlink's history. With that said, also almost seems expected of Chainlink to have a pretty substantial cooling period because of this move. Secondly, Bitcoin's volatility is high. And if Bitcoin's volatility continues to be high, doesn't give altcoins a break, Chainlink will not keep up. Ethereum won't keep up. A lot of the altcoins that you hold will not keep up. And Chainlink's not independent of that. And that's just the reality of holding altcoins. So at 119 days, um, it's not terrible. It could be worse. And I will let you know when I feel it's gone worse. But at this point, I think Chainlink continues to be a good buying opportunity. I'm prepared to buy Chainlink as low as this former support resistance level at 52,000 sats. Um, and we're currently in our fourth month of this downtrend with Chainlink, not as high as 7 months. So we're still 3 months shy of seeing, um, you know, uh, Chainlink being in its longest downtrend in its price history, albeit very short one. So with that said, I'm not yet concerned. I am continuing to buy, um, and that's it. And I think out of all of this is a good way to segue into. Um, I think Chainlink's a great token. I wouldn't bet my entire portfolio on it. I don't think anyone should. And that is and the main reason why is when moves like this happen with Bitcoin moving past $20,000, going up 6%. You see the dominance going up. uh, there's never a sure thing, especially with altcoins and even with Chainlink. As I know, a lot of you do like Chainlink. um, this is something that I would not bet my entire portfolio on, and I wouldn't do that with any coin. I would do that with Bitcoin. Um, I want the diversification. I want the added risk, but I don't want too much risk, and I don't want to give up, a majority of the risk. If I just have it in Bitcoin, then I'm just subjected to one coin, and I don't get the added risk, like the reward of holding Chainlink. So like it's a delicate balance of leveraging risk, and offloading risk. And I think holding Bitcoin and a select few altcoins does that for me. Um, and and these are the times where, as great Chainlink is, these are the times where you want to have at least some, at bare minimum, some Bitcoin in your portfolio. What I would suggest is that your majority portfolio is Bitcoin. As of right now, I did have that, but I am slowly transitioning my positions back into a select few altcoins. And so now my Bitcoin position has obviously gone down a bit. Um, And now compare Bitcoin to any other coin in my portfolio. Bitcoin is the largest. However, if you add all the altcoins together, the 4 or 5 altcoins that I do own, um, it does become larger than my Bitcoin position. So at this point, it's still a waitings game. In the meantime, enjoy Bitcoin's price. It's up 7% for the week. Um, I think it has defied all odds of my expectations of the coin. Um, for definitely people who thought Bitcoin's rally the past few days was an indication of going to 20K. Congratulations, you were right. I would still argue that the jury's not out yet. The day is still in the morning for me, and so there's a lot of price action to go through for the day, and we're in the middle of the week. Still a lot of days left in the week. So um, I'll take today as a nice day for Bitcoin. But in the end, I think Chainlink is in other altcoins, but this video is dedicated to Chainlink. Chainlink is will rally. Um, I have I'm pretty confident of that. And if it doesn't, well, my portfolio isn't all Chainlink, and that is the offloading of risk that I've taken. But I still have a proportionate amount of Link where if it does rally, it will significantly change my portfolio. And I think that is the happy medium for me. And I am willing to wait 196 days for this for that risk to reward. I don't think it's terribly long. I'm not waiting 3 years. I'm waiting less than a year. So, with that said, what is your Chainlink portfolio looking like? Are you buying at these levels? What do you think about waiting 196 days? Can you stomach that? Um, or are you kind of giving up on the token? I'm curious what your thoughts are. Remember to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Talk to you guys later. Take care.